Hello, hello! Welcome to my kitchen. It's Ala. I'm the pastry chef. I've got over 10 years of experience in cooking and baking. I've learned from top chefs all over the world, and of course I've been experimenting in my kitchen for quite a while. I just wanted to shoot a really quick video to tell you that the waitlist for our signature 12-week cheesecake course is open. Lots of you have been waiting for a year. Now all my courses run once a year, so if you wanted to learn how to make the most amazing, beautiful, delicious and unique cheesecakes like you've never tried in your world, okay, never, and I promise you it's better than Cheesecake Factory 10 times X, then you definitely need to get your name into my cheesecake waitlist. Now we open the enrollment very soon, so I don't want you to miss out. Just put your name and email down below so you will get an email as soon as we open the enrollment. The waitlist not only gives you the priority to be the first to get the spot on the course, you also get a whopping $100 off to everybody who is an early bird. I always like to give back. Not only that, there's lots of bonuses that you're gonna get if you sign up to our waitlist. So don't wait any longer. I can't wait to see you. Put your name down below and I will see you soon.